Doenjang cream pasta. Let's go. I'm getting good at the pasta twirl. Look at that. Along with the pasta, I added cold firm tofu for protein and a cucumber for freshness. And I didn't do anything to either of them because I don't care to. Oh, that's pretty awesome. I'm digging this combo. It's like doenjang jjigae, but not.